Was theory of evolution a Muslim discovery? It's one of the most controversial ideas in science. A theory that shook the world when Charles Darwin published On the Origin of Species in 1859. But what if I told you that nearly 1,000 years before Darwin, two Muslim scholars, Al-Jahiz and Ibn Khaldun, had already written about natural selection, adaptation, survival of the fittest, and even the evolution of humans? What if the theory of evolution wasn't born in Victorian England, but had its roots in the Islamic Golden Age? The truth is, just like Muslims pioneered medicine, chemistry, and optics, they also made early contributions to evolutionary thought. But today, many Muslims are uncomfortable acknowledging it. And the West? They rarely mention it at all. It's time to uncover a buried truth from history. Al-Jahiz and the Book of Animals, 9th century. In 776 CE, in the heart of Basra, a genius named Al-Jahiz was born. He lived during the height of the Abbasid Caliphate, when Baghdad was the center of science, philosophy, and knowledge. Al-Jahiz wasn't just a zoologist. He was a thinker, a writer, and a philosopher. His magnum opus, a massive encyclopedia called Kitab al-Hayawan, the Book of Animals, written around the year 865 CE. In over 7 volumes, he studied hundreds of species, their behavior, environment, and most importantly, how they adapt to survive. Now let's discover 5 important concepts of evolution from the Al-Jahiz book and compare it with Charles Darwin's concept of theory of evolution. Number 1, Adaptation to nature, camels versus Darwin's finches. In his writings, Al-Jahiz described how animals are shaped by their environment. Take the camel, for example. He noted how a camel's long eyelashes, thick skin, and hump were adaptations to desert life, proving that nature influences physical traits. Centuries later, Darwin made similar observations while studying finches in the Galapagos Islands. How the shape of their beaks changed based on what they ate. Both men were saying the same thing. Nature shapes the creature. But Al-Jahiz said it a millennium earlier. Number 2, Survival of the fittest, snakes and foxes versus Darwin's rabbits. Al-Jahiz also explained predator-prey relationships in astonishing detail. He wrote, "Animals engage in a struggle for existence. The weak are devoured by the strong. Each survives only by cleverness, speed, or strength." He described how foxes in the desert outsmart snakes, and snakes evolve their venom to stay dominant. A clear picture of natural selection. Compare that with Darwin's example of faster rabbits surviving in dangerous environments. Both concepts echo the same law. Only the fit survive. Number 3, Hybridization, big-nosed dogs and Darwin's pigeons. Al-Jahiz even observed hybrid breeding. He noticed how dogs raised in different regions had different traits. Some had larger noses, better suited for tracking or hunting. He connected this to human influence in shaping animal traits. Darwin made the exact same case, but using pigeons, showing how selective breeding could create new features. Again, Al-Jahiz was already there, thinking in evolutionary terms, 1,000 years ahead. Number 4, Permanent change over time, skin color versus Darwin's moths. Al-Jahiz didn't stop at animals. He applied the theory of change to humans as well. He wrote, "Black people are born in regions of intense heat. Their color is not accidental. It is a result of adaptation." To him, even human traits evolve based on climate and environment. Now compare this with Darwin's famous peppered moths, whose color changed during the Industrial Revolution in response to pollution. 2 very different examples. But the core message is the same. Species evolve. Environments matter. And finally, number 5, Human evolution, but it's not from Al-Jahiz's book, rather from another Muslim scientist and philosopher, Ibn Khaldun. What about human evolution itself? Did any Muslim scholar dare say it? Yes. Enter Ibn Khaldun, born in 1332 CE in Tunis. A philosopher, sociologist, and historian. His masterpiece, Al-Muqaddimah, is still studied in Ivy League universities today. And in it, he wrote something extraordinary. The world of creation began from minerals. Then it developed into plants. Then into animals. And finally into man, from the world of monkeys. Yes, Ibn Khaldun clearly describes a gradual progression of life, culminating in humans evolving from primates. Centuries before Darwin's similar idea. It's not just poetic, it's proto-evolutionary theory. So, who really discovered evolution? Charles Darwin gave us the scientific structure of evolution in the 19th century. But nearly 1,000 years before him, Al-Jahiz gave us natural selection, adaptation, and environmental influence. Ibn Khaldun gave us the framework of human evolution from lower species. So, is the theory of evolution a Western discovery? Or is it a Muslim contribution the world chose to forget? The truth is this. Science is not bound by borders. Ideas travel through time. And sometimes, the answers we seek in Cambridge or Oxford were already written in Baghdad and Tunis. 1,000 years ago.